Hello, my name is Shankar Datto. Today I am going to explain the problem and the solution of encryption from HackerRank algorithms practice part. The problem statement is like we need to encrypt a English text in the following way that at first we need to remove the spaces from the text and find the length. Then we need to make a grid in this way. Suppose this is the string we have to encrypt. Then after removing the spaces, it is 54 characters long. Now root over 54 will be in between 7 and 8. The floor value is 7 and the ceiling value is 8. So the grid will be 7 into 8. The grid will be like that. We must ensure two things, that rows into columns will be greater than L, and if multiple grids satisfy this condition, then we need to choose the minimum area. And the final encrypted text will be like that, where it will be like the first character of the first row, the first character of the second row, the first character of the third row. In this way it will continue from there. Then again it will have a space and it will continue from here. The second character of the first row, the second character of the second row, in this way. Now see here how to solve the code. In this example, this text have 12 length. The root over 12 will be in between 3 and 4. So it will make a 3 into 4 grid. The grid will be like that. I just add the indexed position of each character in the next line, and the encoded message will be that. Now see one thing, the difference of the index position of H and A. This H and A have 4. This A and E again have 4. This A and N 5 minus 1 4. 4 is the ceiling value, and the difference of the index position of H and A is 1. This A and B 1, B and E 1. So see one thing, if I use two integer I and j, then the final encrypted text will be in between the T, the string T, and the T will be T plus s dot caret. Caret will give me the character at the position of I plus j. This difference will be increased by 1. So if I continue the I value from 0 to 3, because there are total 4, then 0 to 3, and the j value will be increased every time by 4. Then it will be like for int I equal to 0 to c I plus plus s dot length will continue from and the j value will be increased by j plus c, and here the t will have a space. Okay, let's see. It will continue, the I value will continue from 0 to 3 and c is 4, and this j value will be changed for each time. The c is 4. Suppose when I is 0, the j will also be 0. So 0 plus 0, it will give this h. Then the j value will be changed. It is initially 0. Now it will be 4. But the problem is, here it is completing the j equal to 0. So it will again come here and it will again increase by j plus plus. So it will be 5. So to avoid this plus, we need to make a minus 1 here. So here it is 3, 4. They will check, yes, this 4 is in between the length. Then it will be 4. Then 0 plus 4 will be A. Again, this, it will be 7, 8, it will be 8, it will give me the E. Now it will again increased 11, 12, but 12 is out of the range. So the for loop will end here. It will give a space and it will again come here, and the I value will be 1. In this way it will continue. But there is a problem. See this example. It has 8 as length. The root over L have 3 as ceiling value. The grid will be like that. Here for I equal to 2, this 2 will be for this case. See, in case of I equal to 2, initially it is have 0. It has 0. And C is 3 here. So it is 2. So at first it will have 2. So 2 position have I. It will print I. Then it is having 2, 3. This is 5. So it will print this O. Now this J value will be 5, 6. And 6 is still in between the length. But when it is I plus J, it will be 8. And there are no character at the 8 index position. So it will give me a error. Array index out of bound error. Exception. So to avoid this exception, I need to make a if statement. If I plus J is less than s dot length. Okay. Now I am doing it here. Before it check the input condition, it is just having a string s, and the s will have the range, and the output format will just print the encoded message. They already take the string from as input and make a function to find out the encrypt message. Here I just, at first I need to find out the length of the string s. What is the length? S dot length will give me the length. Then I need to find out the square root value of this length. You should just mat.sqrt. This will give me the square root value, and this value must be a double value. So I am storing this value in between a double sq. Now I need to find out the ceiling value. Int c mat.ceil sq. But this value still in a double. So I need to typecasting it in this way. Now I am taking a string t. Initially it is empty. Then I am creating the for loop I equal to 0 to I less than c. Then again a for loop from 0 to s dot length. Then I need to make the if condition. If I plus j is less than s dot length. Now t will be t plus s dot caret I plus j, and j value will be changed to j plus c minus 1, and this t will have a space there. I just need to return the t. Now compiling it. Yes, it is okay. Now submit the code. Yeah, this is fine. So thank you for watching my video.